this is redemption. When do I bother at all? There's nothing to mention, and nothing has changed. So I'd rather be working for something than praying for the rain. So I wander on to someone else's shame. I moved to the cold under a mountain, swam in the ocean, slept on my own. And it turned out I would watch the sun cut ribbons through the bay. I remember all the things my mother wrote. We don't eat until your father's at the table. We don't drink until the devil's turned to dust. And never once has any man I've met been able to love. So if I were you, I'd have all a little trust. 2,000 years now, been in that water. 2,000 years, sunk like ghost stone. Desperately reaching for nets that the fishermen had thrown. I'm trying to find a little bit of rope. Me, I was holding all of my secrets soft and hidden. Pages were folded and there was nothing at all. So if in the future I might need myself a savior, I remember what was written on that wall. We don't eat until your father's at the table. We don't drink until the devil's turned to dust. No, never once has any man I've met been able to love. So if I were you, I'd have all little trust. Man, it's true. Have I been good to you at all? Oh, I'm so tired of playing these games and just be running down the same old lines, the same old stories of breathless trains, worn down glory. lying, stealing cheap, and beg you from her knees, make you think she needs it this time. She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair. But I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indifference. So pay attention now. I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up, keep your love, keep your head up, my love. Keep your head up, love. Head up, love. And I don't blame you, dear, running like you did all these years. I would do the same, you best believe. And the highway signs say we're close, but I don't read those things anymore. I never trusted mine, oh, when we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. Head up, keep your love, keep your head up, my love. Keep your head up, my love. Keep your head up, love. Head up, love. Head up, love. Head
Days passing by the crowd, joy can rise from the dark as a flashing force. Hey, for once I tell you what's true, how special you are. You're the smile to my soundtrack. Have I told you lately we're friends? shine. You can make it grow, grow from the summer ground to the heights of your smile.
I know you moved on to someone new. Whole life is beautiful. You were the light for me to find my truth. I just wanna say thank you.
Leaving to find my soul. Told her I had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when our hearts get broke. Too young to feel this old, watching us both turn cold. Oh, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke. Yeah, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke.
I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we'll wish we could come back to these days, these days. These days, these days. These days, these days.
3 years of ups and downs, nothing to show for it now. And I know it ain't pretty when the fire burns out. Calling me when I'm drunk, remind me of what I've done. And I know it ain't pretty when you're trying to move on.
Oh, yeah. I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we wish we could come back to these days, these days. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. These days, these days. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. Oh, I know, I know. To these days, these days.
Cigarettes in the ashtray, reminiscing on those past days. I thought you didn't know my last name, but that changed. And I traveled around the world, think where you living at now. I heard you moved to Austin, got an apartment and settled down. And every once in a while, I start texting, write a paragraph, but then I delete the message. Think about you like a pastime. I could cry you a river, get you baptized. Or I wasn't ready to act right. Used to always think I'd get you back right. They say that things fall apart. We were gonna move to Brooklyn, you were gonna study art. Love is just a tool to remind us who we are, and that we are not alone when we're walking in the dark.
I hope someday